I find solace in nature. Taking long hikes in the woods or just sitting by a serene lake helps me clear my mind and find inner peace. The beauty of the outdoors soothes my soul.
Yoga is my stress reliever. The combination of physical postures, deep breathing, and meditation helps me unwind and regain a sense of balance in my life.
Cooking is my therapy. Preparing a delicious meal from scratch allows me to focus on a creative task and enjoy the fruits of my labor, which instantly lifts my spirits.
Music is my escape. Whether I'm playing an instrument or just listening to my favorite songs, the melodies and lyrics have a magical way of calming my nerves and transporting me to another world.
Meditation is my daily ritual. Spending time in silence, focusing on my breath, and being present in the moment helps me manage stress and stay centered.
Reading is my ultimate stress buster. Diving into a good book allows me to forget about my worries and immerse myself in captivating stories and new worlds.
I find relief in exercise. Whether at the gym, running or doing high-intensity training, the endorphins released during physical activity make me feel rejuvenated.
Volunteering in my community is my way of coping with stress. Helping others and making a positive impact on their lives gives me a sense of purpose and fulfillment.
I use journaling as a therapeutic tool. Writing down my thoughts and emotions helps me process and release stress, leaving me feeling lighter and more relaxed.
Connecting with loved ones is my best stress reliever. Sharing my feelings with friends and family, laughing, and simply being with those I care about most provides a strong support system that eases my stress.
Engaging in creative hobbies like painting, writing, or playing a musical instrument provides an outlet for my stress. Expressing myself through art and creativity allows me to escape the pressures of daily life and immerse myself in a world of imagination.
Spending time outdoors in nature is incredibly stress-relieving for me. Being surrounded by the beauty of nature helps me disconnect from stressors, clear my mind, and gain a fresh perspective on life.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.